The 2021 Ferrari SF90 Stradale by Wheelsandmore. The Ferrari SF90 is an amazing machine and has served as a couple of different firsts for the company. The SF90 was Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid, and it was the most powerful Ferrari to ever leave the factory. To be more specific, the 4.0-liter, 3,990cc V8 delivers a cool 769 horsepower, while 3 electric motors supplement that with an extra 217 ponies for a total system output of 986 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The sprint to 60 miles per hour takes just 2.5 seconds, while top speed is well into the 200 mph range. If you thought these specs were good enough, then you should think again, because Wheelsandmore has turned the SF90 into an entirely different animal. SF90 by Wheelsandmore, breaking the 1110 HP barrier. For a lot of modern cars these days, tuning is becoming more of a software and algorithm game as opposed to a bolt-on game, and that's exactly the case with the Ferrari SF90. Instead of having to tear apart the engine from some major internal upgrades, installing bigger motors, or upgrading the twin turbos, Wheelsandmore was able to extract more than 100 extra horsepower with simple computer tuning. With a simple AQ reconfiguration, W&M was able to increase power output from 986 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque up to 1,118 horsepower and 678.5 pound-feet of torque. The company hasn't released in-depth performance specs, so how this power increase affects the 0 to 60 sprint is a mystery, but top speed has been increased from 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour, to 217.48 miles per hour, 350 kilometers per hour. If we had to guess, we'd say that, post-upgrade, the SF90 will hit 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds. On that note, you don't even have to worry about voiding your warranty or violating your lease agreement with Ferrari. Wheelsandmore can supply you with what it calls a Tektronic tuning box, which is essentially a new control unit that is easy to install and remove as needed. It's designed to not only preserve the factory-installed emergency programs but also only functions once the SF90's engine is at operating temperature to avoid the potential for any damage from the tuning upgrade. Outside of these performance upgrades, the only other enhancement to the SF90 are the wheels. The lightweight alloy wheels feature a central locking adapter system known as UNDERDOCK, which includes the following: high-strength forged aluminum contour milled, extremely lightweight, available in various colors, central locking nut made of aluminum magnesium alloy, locking counter screw bolt circle adapter made of aluminum magnesium alloy, drive pin pressed in hubcap with magnetic lock with TÜV approval. Thanks to the design, you can swap these wheels onto other vehicles with the use of a different adapter plate as needed. The wheels you see with this SF90 are dubbed UD1 and are offered in various colors and are required for the UNDERDOCK system. The upgrade package and call also be had with other non-compatible wheels from FIWE, fork, and 6 spores in 20, 21, and even 22 inches if you wish to go bigger. As of now, there's no word on pricing, but don't expect an upgrade like this, with or without the wheels, for the SF90 to be cheap.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.